I choose to major in marketing because I feel like it has a lot of options. I could do social media, market research, international marketing.
Just the fact that it's like a really multifaceted part of business, it's something that can just be applied to any industry and kind of has all of the skills entangled in one.
Marketing is fantastic because it is the intersection between creativity and science. And marketing today is all about the data that is infusing it. And I think it opens the door for our students. In the Fox School, we do a lot of teaching by the case method. So you're able as a student to really kind of roll up your sleeves, get your hands dirty in a safe environment, and prepare yourself for real world problems and issues and business situations that you can act out in the classroom before you even get out in the real world.
Fox offers a lot of different professional development activities that really help you succeed. Some of my favorite ones have definitely been the career fair. It provided a more informal way of connecting with employers.
CSPD really helped me at first understand how I needed to develop professionally and all of the resources that it has. But I also think that my SPO, the American Marketing Association, really helped me professionally develop because I got to see different professional speakers and understand how you develop into that world, as well as the different workshops that they had in like personal branding and just working on your resume and things like that.
So I'm currently enrolled in a professional development course, and I was able to find internships that were for marketing, as well as look at different parts of marketing, helped me with interview skills, how to answer questions for interviews, as well as negotiating with employers. My experience at Fox has been really good. I was able to create friendships as well as gain opportunities through clubs and courses. It made a positive experience for me.